In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page welcome post, step by step. A welcome post is a great way to introduce your page, tell visitors what to expect, and encourage them to follow your content. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Once you're on your page, tap Create Post, or What's on Your Mind, to start a new post. Begin by welcoming new visitors and introducing yourself or your business. Briefly explain what your page is about, the type of content you'll be sharing, and how your posts can benefit your audience. You can also invite people to like and follow your page, leave a comment, or share the post with others. Next, add a high-quality photo, logo, or short video that represents your brand or community. Before publishing, review your post for spelling and accuracy. Then tap Post to make it live. After your welcome post is published, consider pinning it to the top of your page so it's one of the first things new visitors see. Continue updating your page with valuable content to keep your audience engaged and encourage more followers over time. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.